Hi guys, I was asked to test the WSR 3D tyre conditioner, and this is what this is. I've used a slotted motor mount there to mount my motor, and I've got crocodile clips to provide power to the motor. If you haven't got that, you've got facility here to use a guide to power the motor from your home track. So, how does it work? Quite simple. The motor drives this wheel, which in turn, if you bring these two together, as you see, it slides, will drive this wheel as well. And the idea is that you condition your tyres after gluing and truing your tyres to your wheels. Why would we do this? It's basically the best way to, once they're trued, these tyres are trued, you would condition your tyres to make them smoother and softer, to grip better upon your track. So this is how we do it. We put a little bit of oil on that wheel, rub it in. As you can see, it's now going quite shiny. That's all the amount of oil that you need on there. Just a little drop of, and it's 3-in-1 oil, it's nothing special. So I turn on the power. You can hear now it's running, and you slide in the base plate until the two tyres touch. Did you see that? You don't have to put them too tight. And I'm going to lock it into position, and both the tyres are running. I don't know if you can see it all in detail, but there the two tyres are touching and they're running together. And basically what happens is they run against each other and they suck each other together and become softer. You don't leave them unattended, because after a while the stickiness of the tyre, of both tyres, will then draw them closer and closer together and create drag on the motor. And if you leave them for too long, it could, depending on the tyre compound, rip your tyres apart. The tyres I've got here on the wheels at the moment are NSR Super Grip. So they're a soft tyre, but not too soft. If you went to extremes, NSR Extreme, doing this long, it would have ripped the tyres apart. So we add a little bit more oil across the whole part of the tyre. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer, and now you can really hear them dripping and slowing down the motor. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a white film between the two tyres. Can you see it? That is the oil making the tyre softer, and that's where your grip is on the track. And that's what happens on your track, basically. That white foam gives you your grip. So I'm going to put a bit more oil on, and you can hear it now not drag as much, but then suddenly it slows the motor down and starts to drag. That means the two tyres are biting together and running on each other's surfaces, making them softer. You can add lighter fluid. Oh, you couldn't see that, but it's lighter fluid, believe me. Get that on. And you can see the white foam between them. And doing this way will make the tyres quite soft. A bit more oil. And then you can hear it slowing the motor down. A little bit of lighter fluid again. We'll turn the tyres off, and I can assure you they're quite sticky. I would do this process 5 minutes, 3-4 days a week, ready for when I go to racing, and hopefully, and I say hopefully, your tyres would grip really nicely. So there you go. That is the tyre conditioner.